Now we are going into details on how to prepare the best classic American lunches. But first of all, let's have a quick review of each of these meals in case you missed my first video. American lunches are a delightful fusion of flavors, reflecting the country's diverse culinary influences. From quick bites to hearty meals, let's explore some beloved lunch dishes across the United States. Classic hot dog is an American street food staple. A sausage nestled in a bun, topped with ketchup or mustard, offers a quick and satisfying meal. The Reuben Sandwich is a traditional favorite. Features grilled corned beef, sauerkraut, and Swiss cheese, all layered between slices of rye bread. The BLT Sandwich is a lunchtime classic. Its name comes from its ingredients: bacon, lettuce, and tomatoes, all packed between slices of bread. Originating from South Philadelphia, the Philly Cheesesteak is a hoagie roll filled with sliced beef, cheese, and onions, offering a savory and satisfying experience. Beef jerky is a traditional American snack. This dried, seasoned meat is perfect for a protein-packed on-the-go treat. Baked Alaska is a dessert delight. Combines sponge cake, ice cream, and toasted meringue, creating a sweet, indulgent treat. Chicken fried steak is a hearty dish. Tenderized beef is coated in seasoned flour and pan-fried, often served with mashed potatoes. Burgers are a national favorite. Ground meat, cheese, lettuce, and tomato are sandwiched between buns, customizable with various toppings. Buffalo chicken wings are a spicy treat. Deep-fried and coated in cayenne pepper, hot sauce, and butter, they're a bar and grill favorite. Now let's dive into full details on how to cook each of these lunches. Let's start with a simple classic, the hot dog. Follow these simple steps. Step 1. Choose your favorite hot dogs, beef, pork, or even veggie. Step 2. Bring a pot of water to a simmer and add the hot dogs, allowing them to cook for about 5 to 7 minutes until heated through. Step 3. While the hot dogs cook, lightly butter and toast your buns in a skillet or on a grill for added texture. Step 4. Place the cooked hot dog in the bun, and now it's time to top it. Traditional toppings include ketchup, mustard, diced onions, and relish. Feel free to get creative with chili or cheese. And there you have it, the ultimate American street food, quick and satisfying. Next up, a lunchtime favorite, the Reuben Sandwich. Follow these simple steps. Step 1. Heat a skillet on medium and spread butter on one side of 2 slices of rye bread. Step 2. On the unbuttered side, layer your sandwich with slices of corned beef, Swiss cheese, sauerkraut, and a generous drizzle of Russian or Thousand Island dressing. Step 3. Place the sandwich, buttered side down, on the skillet and cook until the bread is golden and the cheese is melted, about 4 to 5 minutes per side. This Reuben is crispy, savory, and loaded with flavor. It's a true deli classic. Now let's move on to the BLT sandwich, bacon, lettuce, and tomato at its finest. Follow these simple steps. Step 1. Fry up a few strips of crispy bacon and set them aside on paper towels to drain excess grease. Step 2. While the bacon cooks, slice a ripe tomato and wash some fresh lettuce leaves. Step 3. Toast 2 slices of bread and spread mayo on each side. Step 4. Assemble your sandwich by layering the bacon, tomato, and lettuce between the toasted bread. It's simple, classic, and always a crowd pleaser. Next, we have the iconic Philly Cheesesteak. Follow these simple steps. Step 1. Heat a skillet or griddle over medium heat and add a little oil. Cook thinly sliced ribeye or top round beef for about 5 to 7 minutes until browned. Season with salt and pepper. Step 2. In the same pan, sauté thinly sliced onions until golden. Step 3. Slice a hoagie roll and layer it with cooked beef, onions, and top with provolone or American cheese. Step 4. Place the sandwich under the broiler for a few minutes to melt the cheese. This savory, cheesy sandwich is everything you need for a satisfying lunch. For a snack that's perfect anytime, let's make beef jerky. Follow these simple steps. Step 1. Start with lean beef like flank steak and cut it into thin strips. Step 2. Prepare a marinade with soy sauce, Worcestershire sauce, brown sugar, garlic powder, and pepper. Marinate the beef strips for at least 4 hours, preferably overnight. Step 3. Place the strips on a baking rack and dry them in the oven at the lowest temperature for about 4 to 6 hours, or until fully dried. This protein-packed snack is perfect for on the go and it stays fresh for days. Now let's switch gears and move from savory to sweet with a show-stopping dessert, Baked Alaska. Follow these simple steps. Step 1. Start with a base layer of sponge cake. You can either make your own or use a pre-baked one. Place it on a baking sheet lined with parchment paper. Step 2. Top the sponge cake with your favorite ice cream. Shape the ice cream into a dome on top of the cake and freeze it for at least 2 hours, or until the ice cream is firm. Step 3. While the cake and ice cream freeze, prepare your meringue. Beat egg whites with sugar until stiff peaks form. Step 4. Remove the cake and ice cream from the freezer and immediately spread the meringue evenly over the top, making sure to cover the ice cream completely. Step 5. Place the dessert in a preheated oven at 500 degrees Fahrenheit 260 degrees Celsius for 3 to 4 minutes, just until the meringue is golden brown. The ice cream will stay cold inside while the meringue gets beautifully toasted. Cut into this stunning dessert and enjoy the combination of warm meringue, cool ice cream, and soft cake. Baked Alaska is not only delicious but also a true crowd pleaser. Now for something hearty, chicken fried steak. Follow these simple steps. Step 1. Tenderize beef steaks. Cube steaks work best by pounding them with a mallet. Step 2. Coat the steaks in seasoned flour, dip them in an egg wash, and dredge them again in flour. Step 3. Heat oil in a skillet over medium heat and fry the steaks for about 4 to 5 minutes per side until golden brown and crispy. Step 4. For an authentic touch, serve with creamy mashed potatoes and white gravy. This Southern classic is the ultimate comfort food. Of course, no American lunch list would be complete without a burger. Follow these simple steps. Step 1. Form ground beef into patties about ½ inch thick. Season both sides with salt and pepper. Step 2. Grill the patties over medium heat for about 4 to 5 minutes per side for medium doneness, or adjust based on your preference. Step 3. Toast the buns on the grill for a minute or 2. Step 4. Assemble your burger with lettuce, tomato, onion, cheese, and your favorite condiments. Burgers are all about customization. Add bacon, avocado, or pickles to make it your own. Finally, let's tackle some spicy buffalo chicken wings. Follow these simple steps. Step 1. Heat oil in a deep fryer or large pot to 375 degrees Fahrenheit 190 degrees Celsius. Step 2. Fry the chicken wings in batches for 10 to 12 minutes until crispy and golden. Step 3. In a saucepan, melt butter and mix with hot sauce and a dash of garlic powder. Toss the fried wings in the sauce until well coated. Step 4. Serve with celery sticks and blue cheese dressing for a true buffalo experience. Spicy, crispy, and perfect for sharing, these wings are a bar favorite for a reason. These classic American lunches are packed with flavor, and now you know how to recreate them at home. Whether you're craving a classic burger or a hearty Reuben, there's something here for everyone. Thanks for cooking with me today. Be sure to like and subscribe for more delicious recipes. See you next time.